Alrighty, all good? Sure. Hey everyone, welcome to our very first vlog of 2025. It's Dom and my now wife, Dan. This year we've set a big and exciting New Year's resolution, and that is to travel all around Australia in a van, right here, sharing my music, our stories, and all the incredible adventures along the way. Now this journey has been years in the making. I've been teaching piano for the last 10 years, which has been an amazing chapter of my life. But during the pandemic, Dan and I were watching van life videos on YouTube, and I sort of said, well, that seems pretty cool. Dan wasn't convinced. So it took me literally probably 2 years of asking every 2 or 3 months.
Something like that.
And finally this year, 2024, in March, Dan was like, yeah, all right, buy a van. So I bought a van. My dad and I, we did the van up. It took us about 6 months of project building, research, and yeah, putting it all together. And we're finally really happy with the result. We think that we will definitely be comfortable living in this van full time, and we're really stoked to share the adventure with you guys. So we took the van on a trial run earlier this year. Some of you probably remember the vlog. If not, it's the Great Ocean Road vlog. I'll put it somewhere on this video or after the video. And let's just say the van wasn't perfect yet. Me. Oh, that's grouse. Do you want to show the high class sink? Mm-hmm. And the dodgy plumbing too with the tape. But hey, it works, right? We had a few bumps along the way and realised there were a lot of extras that we needed to make it full-time, sort of livable. So now it is our home on wheels. This decision wasn't just about travelling. It's about taking a leap of faith, exploring new places, and chasing the things that really light us up. Whether that's connecting with people through music, finding hidden gems across this beautiful country, or just embracing the adventure of the unknown. We'll be documenting everything right here on YouTube, sharing our favourite spots, the highs and lows of van life, and of course some music along the way. So if you're into travel, music, or just looking for a little inspiration to take your own leap of faith, we'd love for you to join us on this journey. We currently have Tasmania fully booked, and that's coming up later this month in January. We plan to do a whole lap of Tasmania, starting from Devonport, which is the top of Tasmania, which the Spirit of Tasmania will be taking us. Heading down the east coast to the bottom, right to the bottom, hopefully, and back up through the west. Expect at least one video per week, and our day will probably be Tuesday evening here in Australia, so expect that for the whole entirety of 2025.
Work bit such
I know, it's too hard. All right. So I had to readjust because my back was, Yeah. So do check out all the links in the description. If you have not seen already, we have a Ko-fi page. I think that's how you say it. Maybe coffee page. I don't know. Do buy us a coffee if you can. If you have clicked on the Ko-fi page, something like that, recently, you may have noticed that we've added a subscription tab. Dan will be picking and doing up a photo every month. If you'd like a postcard from Dan and me, then do subscribe to that tier. We will also every now and then pick somebody random in the comment section, so we are watching the comment section very much, and we'll send out a free postcard anyway to give back to the community that we will be growing on the road. And so there is also a roadie subscription as well, which gives you sort of behind the scenes footage and photos and early release of things, So yeah, do look into that. It would really mean a lot to us.
Show a picture of my postcard.
Yeah, I will on the screen.
Good boy.
Yeah. I'm currently producing a full album that will be released in 2025, so do keep an eye on that. Any listens, anything, any likes, comments, please do go a long way, and that is a free way to support the channel. Please do subscribe and put the bell notification on. That'll really help the channel as well. I look forward to really sharing these songs with all of you and the greater Australia. And last but not least, thanks for watching. Here's to a year of exploring, creating and living fully. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Bye. Whoa.
Ever just want to run away? I know what you are gonna say. You're a little scared, and that's okay. But we can leave now any day, whenever you may feel up to it. We can pack our bags and we can do this. Pack the car.